Hi everyone, I hope you're well. It is currently the end of March in the UK and today is the hottest day of the year so far. The sun is out. It's currently 21 degrees, which I know is not much at all for most of you watching this video, but for us that is really nice weather. So as I always do, I wanted to make the most of the good weather and do a portrait shoot. So I contacted my friend Demi, who you may recognise from these photographs, to see if she would be available for a shoot, and luckily she is. So I'm meeting Demi in about an hour. There's no real plan as such because, as I said, I didn't even know I was going to be doing the shoot a couple of days ago, but because of the time of year there are now cherry blossom trees out in the UK and they don't last for very long, so I thought it'd be a nice idea to try and find some cherry blossom trees to do a shoot with them. The only problem is I don't know where any are, and I'm in Liverpool, which is a place I don't know very well. So I've already been to one park and it did have one cherry blossom tree, but that park was not the best and I don't think I'd be leaving there with much equipment. So I've now come to park number 2, which is much bigger and feels much nicer, to be honest, to see if I have any more luck here. So fingers crossed I'm going to be able to find some cherry blossom trees. We will see. The only slight issue with this park at the moment is it is absolutely packed and I've no idea if there are any cherry blossom trees here at all. Fingers crossed there are. Demi's boyfriend has very kindly given me a tip off that cherry blossom trees are here somewhere, but at the moment all I'm seeing is people. Fingers crossed we find them. Okay, good news and bad news. The good news is I found some cherry blossom. The bad news is it's by a bin and it's way too high to shoot, but the signs are good. And we have found some. People are sat by it at the moment, so I can't go too close, I don't want to be too rude. But if I turn you round, that tree looks more or less perfect. That is a good tree. So the shoot will definitely be going ahead now. That's the good news. There it is again. So I'm going to go back to the car, get ready, and meet Demi. Just as I'm walking back to the car now to go and meet Demi, I just wanted to give a little shout out for style shoots themselves, because it's very easy, especially over the past 12 months that we've all had, just to keep your cameras in a bag, you know, keep them in a drawer, you never get them out, and it's very easy if you do that to lose your creativity, to lose your enthusiasm. So one of the best things that I think you can do is organise shoots like this. And when I say style shoot, it's nothing more than me just getting in touch with a friend, and I own a few wedding dresses that I've just bought off eBay. Nothing more complicated than that, but it's really good to get out shooting and just shoot without pressure, because that's the time that I personally feel I'm at my most creative. And the great thing is that the things I learn on a style shoot I then take into my wedding photography, so there's really no downsides. It's just a really nice thing to do, gets you out, gets your creativity going, and you'll just really enjoy them. So yeah, if you haven't done one before, I would definitely recommend that you give them a go. They're really fun. There has been a change of plan. When I last left you, I was going back to the car just to get ready for meeting Demi. Demi, in the meantime, had messaged me to say she's going to be half an hour late. So I thought, oh, what I'll do is I'll go out and get something to eat. I'll go and get a sandwich from a supermarket because I haven't eaten anything yet. So I was just driving out of the park. And I say, I don't know this area very well at all, and drove down a road that was lined with cherry blossom trees. The only problem is they are right smack bang in the middle of two very, very busy roads. And I don't know if it's even legal to do a shoot there. I don't know. But they are so much better than what I found in the park. And look at this as well, all these daffodils. Liverpool certainly has something about putting all its nicest trees and flowers right in the middle of very busy roads, it seems. Weird. Yeah, this is on a place called Menlove Avenue, which I think is where John Lennon was born, or it's certainly where John Lennon lived for a time. I think it's also on the cover of the Oasis Live Forever single. Bit of useless information for you there. So I'm just going to go back to this road now and just see what it's like. But the trees here were far better than they were in the park. Why do they have to be in the middle of a very busy road? So I've just messaged Demi to say, hold fire, we might be changing location. Oh, things are never easy, are they? What to do though? Do we compromise on the shot or go for the best shot and compromise our health? ironically, bearing in mind that we're on Menlove Avenue, going down the Penny Lane bush route, this is a magical mystery tour. But look. So what do you reckon, people? Can you do a shoot in the middle of a very busy road like this? As we go further down the road, it even gets better. It's currently 5 o'clock. I'm meeting Demi at 5:30. I think what I'm going to do is keep on walking down this road. Again, sorry for my lockdown hair. I need the barbers to reopen. I'm going to keep on walking down this road, but everything in me says go for the best shot, go here. Even though it is slightly ridiculous. Demi's gonna hate me. The things I put Demi through. Oh, as I walk further and further down Menlove Avenue, the trees are getting better and better. Look at this. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Why does it have to be in the middle of such a busy road? So I've done what every sensible person would do in this situation. I put a poll out on my Instagram, let the people decide. I've asked everyone to vote on whether I should do the shoot in a busy park or on a busy road. Can you do a shoot in the middle of a really busy road? Is it legal? Oh, what to do, what to do? We'll see what the result comes back as, but I think I've got a good feeling that I know what it's gonna be. Sorry, Demi. Yeah, really good, Demi. Perfect. So we've just finished the shoot. Demi, how did you find that?
I quite enjoyed that. I've never
shooting in the middle. Oh, there's another. You were absolutely brilliant. Demi's been beeped so many times. I don't know how many.
I don't know why we didn't count this case. We should have counted the beeps.
I know.
And did like a guessing game.
I reckon we've still got another 4 or 5 to go before we get back to the road.
I know. That's a game actually. How many beeps until we get back to the car?
Demi's been amazing. I've never asked a model before to do a shoot in the middle of a road like this, and hopefully the pictures that you see on the screen now don't look like that, and that's the main thing, is to show you that you can shoot anywhere. There's another one. So yeah, a massive thank you to Demi. All the photographs that are in this video were edited using my preset pack, which you can buy from my website. The link for that will be in the description. And yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you next time, and so will Demi.